Hey everyone, today I'm reviewing the COMHOMA recliner chair, and let me start by saying this thing was super easy to set up. I had it fully assembled and ready to go in under 30 minutes, and the instructions were actually easy to follow. No complicated tools, no weird diagrams, just straightforward and simple. I really appreciated that, especially since I'm not exactly a DIY expert. Now once it's set up, this chair instantly becomes a cozy centerpiece in your living room or bedroom. The first thing you'll notice is a 360 swivel. I love how I can turn to face the TV, talk to someone, or even just pivot to grab something without getting out of the chair. It's one of those features you don't think you need until you have it. It also rocks and reclines, which makes it perfect for relaxing, reading, or even napping. The recline motion is smooth and easy to control, and once you're laid back, trust me, it's hard to get up. Let's talk practicality. The chair has two built-in cup holders, one on each side, which is great for holding your coffee, water, or even a snack during movie nights. And the side pockets, total lifesaver. I keep my remote, a book, and sometimes even my phone charger in there. It helps keep everything neat and close by, especially if you like to just sit back and unplug for a bit. Now on to my favorite part, the massage and heat functions. This chair has 5 different massage modes and it targets 4 different areas: upper back, lower back, thighs, and calves. The vibrations are adjustable and surprisingly strong for a chair in this price range. I use the lower back massage the most, especially with the heat on. It really helps me relax after sitting at a desk all day. The warmth isn't overpowering, just enough to soothe sore muscles and help with circulation. After using it daily for a couple of weeks, I can say this chair has become my go-to relaxation spot. Whether I'm watching Netflix, reading, or just zoning out after a long day, it delivers on comfort. The faux leather looks nice, it's soft to touch and easy to clean, which is a huge plus if you have pets or kids around. And the build quality, honestly, it's super impressive. It feels sturdy, not flimsy, and it holds up well even with regular use. You can tell it's made to last. Overall, if you're looking for an affordable recliner that does way more than just recline, the COMHOMA chair is definitely worth checking out. You get a massage, you get heat, swivel, cup holders, storage, all in one. I think it's a fantastic value for the price. If you're interested, I dropped the link in the description. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.